All right, let me ask you something. Have you ever stopped to think about what connects your trainers, your phone case, and even the water bottle you're sipping from right now? The answer is polymers. These unsung heroes are literally everywhere, quietly holding our world together. And today, I'm pulling back the curtain to show you the secret science behind them. So, what actually is a polymer? Imagine a chain made of loads of tiny paper clips all linked together. That's basically a polymer. Except instead of paper clips, we're talking about molecules called monomers, snapping together into really long chains. They can be natural, like the cellulose in a tree, or synthetic, like the plastic in your credit card. Let's start with the classics. Plastic. Your toothbrush, your laptop, even the dashboard in your car. All plastic, all polymers. Why do we love them so much? Well, polymers are flexible, light, and can be molded into basically any shape. That's why they're everywhere. Ever heard of Tupperware? Thank polymers for keeping your leftovers fresh. But wait, polymers aren't just about convenience. They're lifesavers too. Look at your trainers. The bouncy sole? That's a polymer cushioning every step. Medical marvels like contact lenses or even artificial heart valves. Yup, polymers again. They can be soft and squishy or tough as nails, depending on how those molecular chains link up. And it gets even more magical. Think about slime. Yes, the gooey stuff kids love. That's a polymer in action. When you mix glue and borax, you're actually triggering a chemical reaction that links those monomers into a stretchy, squishy network. Science you can literally squeeze between your fingers. Now you might be thinking, all right, but what about the environment? That's a big question. Not all polymers are created equal. Some, like traditional plastics, hang around in landfills for centuries, but scientists are working on clever new polymers that break down safely or come from plants instead of oil. Biodegradable bags and compostable cups. That's the future of polymer science, right there. So next time you lace up your trainers, pack your lunch, or even snap a selfie on your phone, give a little nod to the humble polymer. They're the invisible threads weaving together the fabric of your daily life. And now that you know the secret, maybe you'll start spotting them everywhere too. Who knew science could be so hands-on? Thanks for joining me on this quick dive into the hidden world of polymers, where science meets everyday magic.